fix Play Store not being able to download apps. So if your Google Play Store is not being able to download apps for some reason, the very first thing you should check is your internet connection. If you're using Wi-Fi, you can try to switch your cellular data or vice versa and see if that helps you solve the problem in the process. If that doesn't help you solve it, you can try to check for your device storage. Open up Settings and simply look for your storage settings. Check if you have got plenty of storage left on your device, because sometimes due to lack of storage you might not be able to have apps downloaded. If that is not helping as well and you have got plenty of storage, come to your settings on Android, go to Apps, go to Apps List or App Management, and also make sure to turn on the Show System Apps depending upon the phone that you're using. Now in the Search for Apps section, you can simply search for Google Play. And you have two apps that I want you to pay attention to: Google Play Store by itself and Google Play Services. So go to Google Play Store, go to Storage Usage, clear the cache files and clear the data. Come back, tap the three dots icon and tap on Uninstall Updates and tap on tap on the Force Stop button and not Disable. So we just want to force stop it. We can come back, go to Google Play Services, repeat the same steps. Go to Storage Usage, clear cache, clear the data, tap the three dots, uninstall the updates, disable it and enable it again and see if that helps you. If not, go to your Play Store, then tap on your profile from the very top right hand side of the screen, followed by the settings option. From the bottom, tap on the drop down menu called About, scroll down and tap on the option Update Play Store, and just check if your Play Store is up to date. Now hopefully one of these may have helped you solve the problem. If you have got any further questions, do feel free to leave them down below. As always, thanks for watching and see you soon in the next video.